Most Python developers think that the init method is the constructor of a class, but that is actually not true. The real constructor of a class is the new method, and it runs before the init method. It is where the object construction is actually done. Don't believe me? Let me show you. Right here, I'm going to add a print statement so we can indicate that this init method is called. And I'm going to just say init, and I'm going to put extra dashes. And right here, inside this new method, I'm trying to construct the instance. So I'm going to pass it to Python to actually do the construction, and I'm going to return that instance. And I'm going to add something here so my code doesn't break. Args and star keyword args, and I'm going to add it here. And I'm going to add this our print statement to indicate that this new method is called. Yes, I'm going to do this. And when I save this and try to run this, let me clear. I've already run it before. So if I try to run this, you can see here that we have new, and then we have init. That means the new method is called first before the init method. You might as well be wondering, how can this be of use to me? Well, there is a design pattern called singleton pattern where you want one and only one instance of that class to exist. You don't want another object to be created after the first one has been created. Well, you can key into the creation phase here in the new method, and you can check for this class variable that I'm putting in up here that is private. If it is none, you create the object, and if it is not empty, that is, if it is anything other than none, you just return the class dot underscore instance. And that is one way you can use the new method. Now I have a small challenge for you. After this object has been created here, we try to create another singleton object. What is going to be a dot value, what is going to be b dot value, and what is going to be a is b? Try and guess the answer in your mind, and let me run the code. So let me clear and try running this code. I'm going to say Python, all right, and I'm going to say singleton, that is our file, and voila, this is the answer: 2, 2, and true, because we only have one and only one object that is created.